So let me introduce myself. My name is Stefan Schöning. I'm a designer from Belgium. We were able to work for 4 different companies. One company is Chungyi, for which we designed and developed this chair. This is called Royale, and larger bed for the company Texential. For this company, BSL, was interesting to see how we could, existing capabilities they have, try to bring some new designs and some new efforts in order to also try to apply for new markets. I was amazed to see them, and I was pleased to find that there are companies like this company TMH who from the raw material as the tree can deliver a furniture product completely set up like this one.
So this ODM furniture can be produced from this PDP program. That's the program that I think in our way forward for furniture development.
In this edition of PDP, we're working very closely with the Muar Furniture Association, MFA. The products that we are showcasing here are basically ready for export. We are looking at the evolution of Muar manufacturers from OEM to ODM.
The whole sofa design is a very simple box, just carve out the shape of the sofa to become the seat, to become the backrest, the components of the sofa itself.
It's not just a furniture for human, it's also a furniture for your pets.
Basically, my product for them is called Nico Robin, Nico being the table and Robin being the chair.
We have a lot of modern, contemporary, classical as well, like this one, and to make ourselves to be seen in the market of furniture industry.
I am Giorgio Biscaro, introducing what I did with the Muar companies. Really committed companies with lots of content, lots of strong potential, and it's made for pure star companies. This is a collection that I designed for Mobilia, furnishing company, and the concept behind this is providing some space for the user to hook something like a bag or a cloth or a coat, I don't know, whatever you want. The dream for us is creating something that could be remembered, in my opinion. This chair that I designed for Wegmans furniture has been designed with just one thing in mind, being iconic.
因为我们老板 Vincent 想要提升我们 TMH 的设计概念，然后把传统的家饰业从 OEM 转变成 ODM。通过 Muar PDP 这个 program， 我们学习到如何跟 designer 配合，然后完成这个成品。
就是让我们麻博的家具，让国际买家对我们的设计麻博设计理念过目相看。
This time we're having very great opportunity to participate in this PDP Muar, and I really looking forward to cooperate with MTIB and also Muar Association to have more event like this.
在这一次机会下，和尤设计师一起配合做出了这一个产品，对我们有一个很好的提升，有一个机会来尝试开发这一类的产品。
这个是我们第一次通过 MFA， 然后跟 MTIB 合作来参与这个 PDP Muar Program。我们希望接下来还可以通过 MFA 再参加这个 PDP Program。
Actually, the time is very short and very rushed. We just got our design from the designer in less than 2 weeks, but we have tried our very best to work with the designer. Anyway, this is very challenging and very interesting project for us. Thanks to the MFA and NTIB to give us a chance to participate in this project.
I go through the Muar Furniture to join the NTIB PDP program. My company is doing the OEM products, but from the PDP program, I realized I can improve more and more. I hope government can still continue to support our Muar Furniture from the OEM to ODM.
通过这次的 PDP program 还蛮有趣的啦，我们跟这个国外的其他的设计师有一些碰撞，来创造出不一样的东西。因为一个人的想法也是有限，但是多加一些更有经验的设计师的话，可以创造出更多不一样的火花。希望呢，明年我还能再参加一次这个 PDP Muar 的 program.
This year we are doing a collaboration between MTIB, MFA and the Muar industry. This specifically said is on purpose because in this short period of time we were able to release 8 new products for 8 different companies, and still working on it. And we're very keen to work on that, and we hope that this
Muar Hall, see you next year.
Muar Hall, see you next year.
Muar Hall, see you next year.
Ik zie u volgend jaar graag terug. Dank u wel.
See you again.